Are you passionate about banking and finance? Then we have an exciting opportunity just for you. Introducing the free 30 days WhatsApp training program on banking credit technical terms. Join us on this incredible journey to enhance your knowledge and skills in the dynamic world of banking and finance. With our comprehensive program, you'll receive detailed explanations of banking credit related topics right at your fingertips. For the next 30 days, you'll wake up to insightful text messages in WhatsApp, delivered before 7 a.m., providing you with the knowledge you need to excel in your future role. But that's not all. We go the extra mile to ensure your success. In addition to text messages, we offer exclusive webinar videos to supplement your learning. These videos are designed to reinforce the topics covered in the text messages and provide even greater clarity. If you're truly excited and serious about taking your knowledge to new heights in banking credit, don't hesitate. Enroll now and get ready to learn at your fingertips. Check the link in bio or description for the registration link.